Feels like summer out there.
Yeah, definitely more summer-like than the past 3 or 4 days have been feeling, and appropriately so, because we are in the midst of August right now. We're approaching the midpoint of the month, and we've had about 50-50. Half the month has been very summer-like, and about half has been maybe a little beyond summer, maybe more like Labor Day or just early September-like, with some of the 70s we've had recently and some of the cool mornings. But today we started with mid and upper 60s. A couple of spots had morning lows in the 70s. We've had some sun, just a few batches of fair weather cumulus clouds. That's time lapse looking to the west with our Lewiston auto camera from Assisi Heights. Plenty of sun out there right now, and we still have some big puffy clouds, but a lot of sun breaking through those right now, and we'll enjoy that for the rest of the day. At least partial sunshine. We'll call it partly sunny with some sun, some clouds, and some seasonably warm weather. Temperatures now in the low 80s, on our way to the mid 80s in most spots. 83 in Rochester. That already right now stands as the warmest temperature we've had so far this entire week. 81 Northwood, 82 in Owatonna. Throw in some of that mugginess, and it does feel a bit warmer. Dew point now 71, something we haven't seen since Sunday when that cold front came through last weekend. But now dew point in the 70s. It'll be there again today through tomorrow. Feels like 88 already with air pressure steady, 30.04 in the barometer. To compare to this time yesterday, 10 degrees warmer in Rochester. Dodge Center already 16 degrees warmer, and Albert Lea 18 degrees warmer. So certainly changes in the air, and for a short time, basically for a couple of days, we are definitely jumping headlong back into summer scheme of things. And the heat indices mainly upper 80s to near 90. Albert Lea 88, Austin 88 as well, and 87 in Winona. So warm and humid today with occasional sun and clouds. A couple of rounds of storms tomorrow. Some very early in the day, at least a small chance there. But the best chance overall, maybe the best chance for the next 7 to 10 days, comes toward the evening hours. And then we'll see a mild weekend with very few rain chances, but it's a very mild, comfortable sun and some September-like 70s again revisiting the area. But showers have been going on in central and northern Wisconsin all day long. We kind of missed out on that. We had a spotty little shower around 2 this morning grazing the area to the north, but since then it's been pretty quiet as the warm front moves through the area. Some isolated storms may develop toward north, but it looks like we will miss out on those, and the severe weather risk still well north of us. In fact, enhanced risk of severe weather for a big part of the Dakotas and northern Minnesota. Big outbreak expected there, but we will see none of it here, just occasional sun and clouds, and then tomorrow the remnants of that activity from the north first thing in the morning, but we'll see the chance for maybe some stronger activity here by evening hours. Slight risk to marginal risk of severe weather, so the lowest end of the severe weather threat, but perhaps still a couple of strong storms with that advancing line of activity. With it approaching cold front Saturday, that front will have moved east, as will that severe weather risk. And rainfall would be nice. So right now we have a deficit of more than 1.5 inches. 1.52 inches is where we are below the seasonal average for this month. Overall, for the entire year, 1.14 inches below normal. We're looking at rainfall in the forecast tonight through tomorrow morning, perhaps a 1/100 of an inch or a trace amount for that first morning round, and then about 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch overall tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Sunshine, a few fair weather clouds here and there. 85 today. We'll stay in the 60s and 70s overnight tonight. Definitely warmer feeling outlook, and then right back to the 80s tomorrow between rounds of showers. Future track looking at that warm front pushing northeastward. A couple of showers to our north. We're going to stay mainly dry with plenty of sun. High temperatures today in the mid 80s. Tonight, staying in the 60s, and here's that complex of showers kind of fizzling out as the activity reaches us first thing in the morning. Stronger, more widespread storms right along that front as it moves through around 7 or 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then behind that front, a slight chance of a redeveloping shower behind that first thing on Saturday. Otherwise, high pressure comes in and brings a break from mugginess and quiet weather for the weekend. But it's isolated shower still there in that Saturday time frame, with temperatures by then in the 70s. A little cooler than today or tomorrow, and mainly 70s for the next week as well. 79 is the seasonal average, incidentally, for this time of the year. 86 today in Austin, 85 Rochester, 85 Zumbrota. Look for 86 in Mason City. Some sun, some clouds, south winds around 15 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy, a low of 66. And tomorrow, a shower chance first thing in the morning, then another more widespread chance, maybe some downpours, maybe a couple of strong storms still, right around sunset, 7 to 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. 84 the expected high, and we'll be in the 70s beyond that, with very few rain chances going into next week.
Yeah, and a big change there as well. Thanks.